guys, I know it's been a while since I made a video, and that's because I'm in my last year of high school. So I have a lot of tests and I have to study quite a lot. So I don't have too much time to make videos anymore. Anyways, today I'm going to show you how I set up my bullet journal for 2018 and February. Don't forget to hit the like button down below, and you can also subscribe to my channel. And let's just get started with the video. For 2018, I decided to use a brand new bullet journal, and for the cover page I wrote down 2018 and I filled it up with all kinds of flowers, and I also added a quote. For my mood tracker, I used the same setup as I did for my last bullet journal, and you can see how I drew it in my September video, I believe. And then for my future log, I just wrote down the days of the month, and I used some colored paper for the background of the titles of the month. And for the other pages, I wrote down the days of the month and underneath it the events. This is my January cover page. And then for my February cover page, I drew a plant garland in a circle. And I also added some flowers, and then in the center of the circle I wrote February and again a quote underneath it. After that I colored in the plant garland with green, some red, purple and yellow as well. Then for my monthly log I drew a scrapbox for every day of the month. And at the top I wrote down the initials of the days of the week. And again I used some colored paper as a background for the title of the page. At the bottom of the page I also added some sort of illustration. I made it out of some colored paper, some paper flowers and some stickers. And then I drew a box for the tasks I have to finish for this month. And then I also added some polka dot washi tape. For my goals and tracker page, I cut out all kinds of colored paper and images. Then I wrote down some inspirational quotes. And in the end, I also added some gold paper. For my tracker page, I used almost exactly the same setup as I did for my last bullet journal. So I have a bunch of trackers, and at the bottom of the page I wrote down a quote, and I also added some goals that I have for this month. Then for my weekly log, I have a horizontal setup. I added some washi tape and a sticker and also a little quote. For my social tracker, I track the amount of subscribers I have and the amount of Instagram followers. Then I drew a bouquet of flowers and I added some washi tape. Then I have a video ideas page and I drew some stars underneath it. For my split page, where I write down a line a day, every day of the month, I drew an origami bird and I added some colored paper again. Then for my gratitude log, I wrote down gratitude log at the top of the page, and then I pasted a camera at the bottom of the page and I added some washi tape and colored paper. And then I started drawing all kinds of frames, because at the end of the month I want to add some pictures to this page to memorize the fun moments of February. And then we've come to almost the end of the video. I hope you got some inspiration from it, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel as well. And then I hope to see you next time. Bye!